did Jesus walk the earth? Was his childhood actually spent in Egypt? If so, what did he do there? Where did he go? Is there any proof, or is this an elaborate religious hoax? Best-selling author Paul Perry travels the sands of Egypt to investigate this ancient mystery. What he finds will shock you.
Where the Holy Family visited, churches were sure to follow. It's the perfect way to mark a trail, especially the Holy Family Trail, to make sure that it never gets lost.
A quest to retrace the most historical journey of all time. Perry handles what Egyptian Christians claim to be one of the earliest and most revered relics of Jesus. They say this was his first public miracle, his emergence onto the scene.
It represents Jesus throwing down the gauntlet and sort of saying, I'm here to strike down the old religion.
From the early 1st century, locals claimed this was where the Holy Family traveled. Does the relic date back to Jesus himself? Is the Holy Family Trail real? For the first time, Paul Perry takes you deep into the ancient land to answer the question, what really happened in Egypt? In Jesus, the Lost Years.